Hi, I'm John Klesnick, and this is lava for HWE, because nothing's more powerful than lava, brought to you by BonnetPro. Red lava is a very interesting product, and what makes our powder different from other powdered hot water extraction pre-sprays? Simply the raw ingredients and the technology to select those ingredients and apply them in proper formula. So things like AFT, the grain or the smoothness, the refinement of the powder is important. If you look at red lava, it's a very fine, very soft powder. Blue lava is the same way. It's just very fine, and what that does for you is that helps it to mix in easier. This is a competitor's product. I have their bottle turned around, and it's more clumpy. It's thicker, it's coarser, and it doesn't mix quite as good. When we mixed theirs earlier today, I did it twice in 110-degree temperature, and this was about 135-degree temperature. And even though you can see the dye never completely mixed into the product, and at the bottom, there's still goop. And this was done this morning, maybe 8 or 9 hours ago. So this is what clogs your jets and your tips and your equipment, and that's just not what you need. When you mix in my product, it's not going to do that. So you're going to get a much better, easier mix. You're going to get more complete solution, and you're going to get superior products, ingredients in that solution. So that's going to give you a better clean. It's going to give you less disruption. And with AFT, which is built into our formula, that does what extraction has always had a problem with, which is rapid resoiling. The AFT prevents oily binders and biofilms from attaching to the face fiber. This rinse is very clean. You could bonnet clean with this. That's how unsticky this formula is. And a couple other things. The competitor's formula, they give you 6.5 pounds for about the same price as our 7.5 pounds. A pound will make 1 to 2 extra hydroforce mixes or approximately clean another 1,600 square feet. 1,600 feet at 20 cents a foot is $320 extra value in lava than over the competitors. And just little things like, if I go to put my hand in here, it rubs on the jar. It's tight. Our mouth is bigger. I can more easily get in to scoop this. It's just easy to do, whereas with the competitors, it's harder to get my hand in here, and it's not as nice of a powder. The other thing you'll notice is my products smell good. This product to me smells like chemicals. It's not an attractive smell. It's okay, but it's not something I'd want to use every day. This has a really light citrus scent, and this Lava Fresh scent is very fresh and clean. It freshens up the room. It's really a wonderful scent. So there's so many reasons why you want to choose lava for HWE over the competitors. Value, quality ingredients, technologies like AFT, extra product in the jar, easier jars to get your hand in, and products that actually mix. They give you what you need in hot water extraction. Come see us at BonnetPro.com. Just want to give you a little pro tip for mixing powders, and especially our powders. If you're mixing 1 or 2 ounces per gallon, it's going to mix in super easy. If you're mixing in 3 or 4 ounces per gallon, put the heat up a little bit more. And if you're mixing hydroforce, where you're putting multiple scoops into a gallon or 5 quarts, put the heat up to about 140 degrees, and within a few minutes, this will mix in completely. So it's important that you use the heat as needed. So with like blue lava, you can mix that in at 80 degrees, 75 degrees, and 4 ounces per gallon, and that'll mix in just fine. You don't need the heat. For red lava, it does like the heat because it's got a lot more oxy in it to dissolve the safety coating. So the more powder you have in a smaller volume of water, the heat helps that to go into solution easier and faster. So that's important. So if you guys are looking for better value and better performance for your dollar, you want lava. Take care. Bye-bye.